Kani kadai kedarshan Meghalaya bat ni priang sngobai pi baro sya kani ketup kubor menta ke janmit. Pada shwa pengen pai ki kubor ki babniak ngin ya pet choi ki mat bakongsan. Penkrek ke BJP ha Meghalaya na ke benta ke election chiteng samoy ha gambe grade. Day wan pesitam ting persya ia kinong hayi drop laki day ki menteri ne ki reu pat ba ong menteri ubak kermen shilla. Ya kendu ke Budo National Students Union ya menteri rangba ke Meghalaya ban ya pheliu jingmut halor ban yada ya ka hok jom ki reu lo. Shen ki pulit kan semudoi da ka charge sheet ha ka bai dai bat ka kam bat board ha mal. Bat pen krek ka shalong man pediang ya ka tamasar wai ka yesterday once more ha ka nyau terlek naiwe. Ki khubor ki babnya. U President ka BJP Meghalaya u Rickman G. Momin hene kesngi ula pentip ba ka seng kala penkre na ka benta ke election chiteng samoy ka banlong ha gambegere constituency. U Momin ula sngohun ba ka jingtre shitom jong u MDC ka tura u Bernard Marak ban penshay yaki breu halor ka JJM scheme bat ki wei ki scheme bala pentrekam dak ka sorkar jilla. U Rickman ula penpau baka seng kalayo jingbit ban penlong jingyalap election ha sapu prateli ki jaka tapwood ha ka constituency. Ka gambegre kala theli ke syuki hadin ba usaleng sangma jong ka kongres ula hab ban eno ya ka syuki hadin bola job ya ki election Lok Sabha natura.
We have started. Actually, Gambegre we have 51 polling stations. Out of 51, we have already completed our book level work for 48 polling stations. We are doing very fast and people are responding very nicely to us. And even our State Vice President, Mr. Banat, is really working hard daily, showing the way to the people. What the central government has given to us, like some anomalies of this JJM scheme and all.
U menteri ubadairu unong yalam ka UDP uba kirmen shilla ulo ong badai ban pincitom ting yakinong khayidrak laki day ki menteri ne ki riu pat ba. Ula jubab yakane halor ka jingsha kentho ha state president ka Congress u Vincent Pala persya ya usembut menteri rangba uba sniaw bhalang dhar ha ka ba ula kenno ba udon kti hakikam khayidrak. Ka jingkeno ya unu dokot ka ying dorbar laki day nakaliang persya ne nakaliang sensyar kidai bandon ka sakhi satar ka babiang. Haga juga por unong yalam kaliang persya u Dr. Mukul Sangma ulama hamjur bantok sya menteri rangba du keri halor kene ke benta.
Such allegation against any honorable member, either in the opposition or in the ruling, I feel this really is not correct. But still, I believe those people who give this who say all these things that against any honorable member or even the public, I believe they have proof. But drug is something like, which is, we can't even think it in our dreams that I will say something against somebody who's not even taking drugs. That is completely a false, whether it's a false or correct allegation, I don't know it, but I believe that those honorable member or even the public, they have full proof against the Deputy CM, which we have seen directly, we can say.
Ki dekot jong ka Bodo National Students Union na Assam menta kesngi kelai kendu ya menteri rangba ka Meghalaya u Kongrat Sangma ha Shillong ban yap liu jingmut halor ban yada ya ka hok jong ki pat riulum kham tam ha ka bai dei bat ka 6 schedule bat ka jing ai jingmut halor ka amendment bill ba shispa apusan ka bedang don hapo ka jingatai ha Lok Sabha. U Bonjit Manjil Basumatri, u President Jongka Bonsu Central Committee, ula kentu ya barok kipat reulom ban yateli ka wei na ka benta ka jingsngan. Haga ni ka jingalang ka seng kala pa ya ka dorkas sya menteri rangba ha ka bala kentu ya u ba unshim kia halor ka ni ka jingdawa ka bala sa teng la slem na ka benta ban penyo ya ki bodo ya la ka jong ka jilla.
We are very happy here coming from Borderland Territorial Council from Assam, and we just met our Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, Meghalaya. So we have a fruitful discussion regarding the 6th schedule and the 125th Amendment bill that is going to pass in the Lok Sabha. So we have discussed regarding the rights of the tribal. So the coming the amendment bills, which that will be beneficial for us or not. So we are discussing broadly regarding that issue.
Ka BJP Meghalaya kala pelat patba ya ka jing penrung kerteng bala tip kum ka sada ziyata abhiyan ha ka office trekam jongka ban penklan ya ka seng na ka benta ki election ha district council bat ya ka election shiteng samoy ha gambe gre. Lalam khmat ya ka ne da menteri uba AL Hek bat state president Urikman G Momen da ka jing pelat ya ka jing raya lap election bat ka video. Kani ka program ka thmu ban pen thamai ya ki khot bala don lupa bat ban penrung thamai ha ka baydei bat ka rukom trekam jong kani ka seng.
This membership drive, it's usually done every 5 years. So today, as from Assam state, from Meghalaya state, we have started today. We have launched it to our minister and convener AL Hekji. And nationally, yesterday, I think we have known about it through Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. So there's the target for us also, around 2 lakhs. So we'll be doing that. So other than that, we will be starting all over Meghalaya.
Ki pulit ka East Khasi Hills Chen kin samudoi da ka charge sheet ha ka baydei bat ka kambat bor ya ka wei ka khana kan thai hamal ki shillong. USP ka East Khasi Hills ba Silver Star nong tnger ula ong ba unong sha keno ba ar udai uparalok ba jan bha bat kani kalanon. USP ulaya thu ba katkum ka an kin pendep ya ka jing toket hapo arbnai katkum ka rai kani ka jing ja kala ja ha ka ar khandai tarik unailar bat ya ka e jahar lale ha ka lai pho tarik unailar bat ha ka ju ka sngi ki pulet kila kem ya unang sha nong sha keno ba ningkong kat ba yu unong sha keno ba ar la kem na smith ha ka step sngi ningkong.
The thing has happened. On 30th, we received the FR at the police stations. Then OC and her team swung into action on the same day, that is on 30th August. One accused was apprehended. After interrogation listener, then the second accused also was arrested. That is from Smith area. So ultimately, 2 accused were arrested. The second accused was a friend of the victim. They know to each other. So in fact they are friends. But however, it's unfortunate that it's turned into a rape case.
Ha ka jingja ba sngosi ha ka janmiet jong ka lai tarik unailur uwei ubreu ubala tip kum Santosh Das ubala lai pu prasnem karta na Riat Laban East Khasi Hills District ulahap ha ka wei ka Riat kat ba udang mut ban letbar. Udas udai badon jingpang ha ka bala senran lang ya uda uhenmen ha ka por ba jaya ka ne ka jingja ha them ukwar hajan ulum jingthang. Kalong yeng kala pentip marmar sya ka bor district bat ka state disaster response force kala la ban sei ya ka met yap. Hadian ka ne la penkit ya ka met yap udas sya civil hospital Shillong na ka benta ban le ya ka postmortem. Ka senjuk kirang ba shnong jong ka nong thamai pelun hapo ka jingelam u president uba banteli nari kilai kendu ia usembut menteri rangba ka jelau ba prestun tensong hinen ka sngi banyakran halor ki kampen roy. Habakren bat kilat pathai khubor hadin ke jingyalang uba banteli ulaong bakan nong thamai kalai kendu ya ke jing e baper namar bakam hap hapok kathan nong kendong nisor kabalawan ra jing e ban yo ya ke kampin roy. Ula pentip ru bakathan ka hap syabar uput usam jangka municipal board bat ka juyo jingyarap tang naki MLA scheme.
Ya jing maramat ya kajat kapai pos nong ko thau la kilong kinala la kilong kilinti kisengkien kikupat kini nilayo punya keren bat lada sisa ka Pagulong kata ka jingwan jing hap ko ka CNRD Department of Community and Rural Development sibun ki jingrap kan long nam takas nong bat habang ipet hakalian ka pat ka ko kita ki PHC ne CHC ni dari ki dispensary Henry kini di dispensary mong bakim trikam kitray Henry kim la ban kater si sapat kat kum badai kat kum kejungdon ke population akini ki jaka kum tala da nila ban hap hakani ke jingmun toy babun tila ban wan limba jong kani ka department ban la ban ai si sai jingrap hak ka ko kya na kum taki nong song to kani nong semai
Ka Shillong ka balaju bena kum ka nongba ka tem ka put ha India kan pediang man penlong ya ka tamasar wai ka yesterday once more ha ka new tarik unaiwing ha ka puan rewje ha ususu tham auditorium Shillong. Un penlong ya ka ni ka opus un penlong ya ka ni da ka opus productions rengkat ka jingetri lang bat ka Meghalaya Tourism and Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project ha ka ni ka tamasa kindon kinong put nong tem bapau nam bakin thop yo ba bari mau tho Melvin Pathau bat kiwe u artist manager uba Ribor MB ulaong bakan ni ka tamasa ka thmu ban pinki embiang ya ki jingrai balarim.
So there's Connie Francis, there's Little Richard, and there's Freddie Fender, and of course Elvis has to be there, Beatles has to be there, and there's Glenn Campbell, and Abba and solo. So we're looking at, again, like I said, 1950s all the way to 1980s, early 1990s as well. Rock guitar, he wanted to rock, very old school rock guitar, just wanted to, and like, we do mostly things in one like Yes. Those kind of songs. It's not just now, but I would say to sing around.
Ka Central Integrated Pest Management Center Shillong ka bahap hapok katanan Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Kala penlong ya ka jing a jing hikai ka ba arsngi halor ka jing rep ka ba. Bala penyad da ka artificial intelligence hapok ka NPSS bat ka AESA base IBM ha District Horticulture Officer Hall Maukarwat Southwest Khasi Hills District. Ugokul Ram M Ubalong UPPO CIP MC Shillong uloong ba ka jingtmu ba kongsan jong kani ka program kalong ban hikai yaki nong rep yaki buat teknologi ba thamai ban yele persya yaki knyang ki bajupin julor ya ukaba. Ka Ribhoi People Council kala penlong ya ka program pinsap riang jingtip hinen kasngi ha dorbar hall umling. La penlong ya ka ni da ka jingtmu banya keren halor ki jing e ki badon ha ka imlang sa lang bakin thup ya ka jing shong kha khenna ka jing armet khenna ka jing penan kam ya ki jing di penbu aj ki kam snew lingba ka internet but ka protection of children from sexual offences POCSO Act ka Juvenile Justice Act but ka jing pep school shiteng por. Lawan ni sementai hakan ikasngi da President ka RBPC Umling Circle uba Lazarus Rani urang ba snong ka Umling uba Kemensen Waklang lembar ki nong snong bat ki kena school. Mentapat ngin yapet ya ka jinglong jingman ka sun meneng hanong ba Shillong. Ka jing shit kalong arpusau point kendai degree Celsius bat ka jing kriat kalong khan real point sun degree Celsius. Ka jing sngem ka haw kalong nyopo na ka chispa hakapor min step bat kendai po ar na ka chispa hakapor janmin. Kala abandon ka jing hap slap ka ba malu mala bat ka jing tiet uperthat hakibabun teli ki jaka. Shuaban poi biang syakabukut jong ketuk kubor ngini pet biang sasisiannya kimat bekongsan. Penkrek ke BJP ha Meghalaya naga bentak ke election chiteng samoi hagam negeri. Day ban pencitom ting persyai kinong kaya drak laki day ki menteri niki rio pat ba ong menteri uba kirmen shilla. Ya kedua ke Bodo National Students Union ya menteri rangba ke Meghalaya ban ya peliu jengmut halo ban yada ya ke hok jengki rio lo. Shen ki pulit kin semudoi da ka charge sheet ha ka bedai bat ka kambat bor ha malki. Bat pen krea ka shlong man pediang ya ka tamasar wai ka yesterday once more ha ka nyau terek unaiwi. Ti para lok kat tungi lapoi syaka bukut jong ka thup kubor jengi menta ka janmet hadu banginde syam yang bat pila syai ka sngi kublai pi baro.
And All Tripura Tiger Force ATTF in New Delhi today. Home Minister Amit Shah, Chief Minister of Tripura Manik Shaha and senior officials of Union Home Ministry and Tripura government were present on the occasion. Speaking on the occasion, the Home Minister said it is a matter of joy that NLFT and ATTF